Hey guys, welcome back to another Vegas Pro 17 tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to adjust the brightness of a video. In other sense, how to make it brighter. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment what video you'd like me to post in the future. I read all comments. Let's start. First of all, we want to open up our Vegas Pro 17. And by the way guys, if you want to buy Vegas Pro 17, I have the link in the description. So we're gonna import our clip. You want to import your clip. So we're just gonna use this short movie trailer. Okay, so we are just gonna use this port. Yeah, so we're gonna cut and drag this. So as we can see, the brightness is actually okay, but we're just gonna play with it a little. So to start the process, you want to go to your FX panel and you want to click on Vegas brightness and contrast. Click on it, don't forget to add, then click OK. Then this pops up. This is where all the work is gonna be done. You have, I think we have presets. Yeah, you have presets. So if you wanna use your presets, makes the work faster. So brighter, that comes up. Then you have very bright, darker. You have very dark. You have brighter, more contrast. Brighter, less contrast, and you have darker, more contrast, and you have darker, less contrast, and you have the last one, which is flat. So for the purpose of this video, we are not going to be using presets. We're going to be doing the main works by ourselves, and we'll see which one looks better. So first of all, you want to increase the brightness, because that's the main reason why you came to the video event FX, which is brightness and contrast. We want to first deal with the brightness. So we're going to increase the brightness to what we want. Make it a little bit brighter. This should do it. So as you can see, it is bright, but it doesn't look nice. There's no detail. Most of the detail is kind of gone. So we are going to increase the contrast. As you increase the contrast, the video becomes better. So as you can see, contrast has been increased, but still doesn't look nice. That means the brightness is too high. So we're just going to reduce the brightness a little bit, and you can see video looks perfect. The contrast center, most times you don't really need to use the slider, but in case you have some issues whereby the contrast, it's not really working, I'll say working in the sense that there's some issues, you're increasing the contrast, it's good but it's not good enough, you can come to the contrast center and just reduce and increase it to what you want. So if you increase the contrast center, it actually has a lot of effect, so you want to be careful how you increase it. So just increase it. Remember, if you increase the contrast, highlights will become more obvious, and we don't really want that to happen. So somewhere like this, just gonna reduce the contrast a little and increase this a little. So we have successfully brightened up this video. Looks nice. Let's preview it. So I will show you the before and after. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment what video you would like me to post in the future. Hope this video was helpful. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Signing out.